Hey, what's up guys? I got 4 views on my last video here, and today we have some totally real shoes to look at. These are definitely not from China. I ordered a couple pairs of fake shoes to see how the quality would be. Right off the bat, the box does not look very good. Obviously the box is a little damaged. I'm surprised it's in this good of condition for it not being protected at all. I mean, it's decent. It's a little off-centered, you can tell. It's a little faded. Like, it's kind of hard to see, but it's just not great. This is a little off-center also. Honestly, it's not that bad, but you can tell when you get really close, it's like it's pretty sloppy. I don't know how that's supposed to look. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be right covering this. And I don't even know if there's supposed to be text on this side. I don't know. But we're gonna open these up anyway. Let's see if they're epic or not. No way. So, oh my god. So I got a pair of Yeezy socks. Alright, let's see. There they are. Wow. They smell like China. These are pretty decent. These look pretty legit. Whoa. Got that in there. I don't think it's supposed to be metallic on these. These laces look legit. I mean, for the most part. Honestly, I did not expect them to be this good. They've got a little tag. That's definitely not what's on the actual Yeezy. I mean, I don't know. I don't have a pair of Yeezys, so I'm poor. Obviously, if I wasn't poor, I would not have bought fake Yeezys. I would have bought real Yeezys. So we got a little receipt from Foot Locker. Can you even get Yeezys at Foot Locker? I don't know. $233. It doesn't even feel like real receipt, it just feels like normal paper, so that's kind of stupid. You got an epic Yeezy keychain. These are big, first of all. I mean, Yeezys are big. They're not that bad. Like, looking at the bottom, you can't see any glue. I mean, okay, you can see a tiny bit of glue right there. But it's got the Adidas right there. It's got Boost. I'm very, very impressed. This is really clean. Little bit of glue. Okay, this is pretty bad. You can definitely see it right there. I mean, the stitching on the back looks good. I don't know what the distance right here is supposed to be, but it looks good to me. The stitching on this is really nice. Except, I don't know if that's supposed to be there. I mean, I don't know enough about normal Yeezys to be able to tell. But this seems pretty legit. Like, these are pretty damn decent. I mean, little bit of glue. You can, like, see the Boost. The Boost feels okay. I don't have my NMDs are my car, so I can't compare the Boost. But it doesn't look super real. You can definitely tell the Boost is fake when you look at it. Holy shit! The soles come out. They've got Adidas. Oh, this is scary. This is bad. Holy crap. You can see the Boost through the bottom. So these are the other 2 pairs I got off dhgate. These ones are really, they're both bad in one way and good in one way. So the way that these are good is that the Boost feels really good. And what's the other way? The other way that they're good is this on the back of them looks really nice. So, except the actual shoe is not supposed to be stitched. They're supposed to be they're kind of like a plastic or a rubber texture, and the laces are totally wrong. So that's the problem with these. These ones are really good. They're a little bit darker than they should be. Laces are perfect, but the backs are terrible. It's hard to see on video, but they're just, terribly printed. I'm super impressed. Okay, I'm gonna throw these boys on, and we're gonna see how they look. I don't know, man. I don't know how to feel. It's just, I know they're fake, but, they're so damn good. Who knows, maybe the hype's getting to me. But these are some nice ass shoes.